In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Discord to LearnWorlds in just a few simple steps. Whether you're running a community on Discord or want to integrate it with your LearnWorlds courses, this tutorial will help you make that connection seamlessly. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to make sure that both your Discord server and LearnWorlds account are set up properly. If you haven't done so yet, get those ready because we'll be linking them in just a minute. The first thing you need to do is open LearnWorlds and go to your admin dashboard. Look for the Integrations section under the Settings menu. This is where you'll find all available third-party integrations, and we're looking for Discord here. Next thing, once you click on the Discord option, you'll be prompted to log into your Discord account. Be sure you're logged into the Discord server you want to link. You'll need administrative access to that server, so make sure you're the server owner or have the right permissions to make changes. Once you log in, you'll be asked to authorize LearnWorlds to access your Discord account. Go ahead and hit Authorize. This step is key because it allows LearnWorlds to communicate with your Discord server. The fourth thing is setting up the permissions on your server. This step can be a bit tricky, so pay attention. LearnWorlds will ask you which roles you want to give to users who join through the integration. You can customize this depending on whether you want course participants to have specific permissions within Discord, like access to certain channels or roles. After that, the next thing to do is to configure what happens when a student enrolls in a course. This is where you get to decide how Discord will interact with your LearnWorlds courses. You can set it up so that when someone enrolls in a specific course, they automatically get an invite to a related Discord channel. This is a great way to keep your community engaged. The sixth thing to consider is managing access. You might want to set up automatic removal from Discord once a student finishes a course or their subscription expires. LearnWorlds has features that help you manage these settings easily. Now, you might be wondering, what are the downsides to connecting Discord to LearnWorlds? While this integration is handy, it's not always seamless. Some users report minor delays or issues with syncing between the platforms, which can be frustrating if you rely heavily on real-time communication. Also, the user interface could use some refinement, as navigating between Discord and LearnWorlds isn't always as intuitive as it could be. But hold on, before you finish this video, there's something even better you should know about. While LearnWorlds is a great platform, it's not the best when it comes to combining online courses with community engagement on Discord. There are alternatives out there that might be a better fit, especially if community interaction is a top priority for your business. I'm talking about alternative software, which offers even more powerful integrations, better management features, and a more streamlined experience for engaging with your community. Plus, alternative software is known for its user-friendly interface and more reliable Discord integration. Now here's the good news. If you check out the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial for alternative software, along with some amazing benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But don't worry, if you're already using LearnWorlds, you can still grab the best free trial for that as well. It's a win-win. So go ahead and use the link below to grab your exclusive trial today. Whether you're sticking with LearnWorlds or giving alternative software a shot, both have a lot to offer, but one might just be the perfect fit for your community and course needs. Thanks for watching.